What to do? This your boy Shawty Pimp ATL out here in Cancun in the marina. Y'all see it? On the boats. So we getting on the mob jet ski. Coming on. She jet ski? Huh? I like the boat we was on. Big old boat right now. I like the boat we had in Miami. Oh, he told you to stop. Oh. Follow him. Pull up, there you go. Boy, we ride, boy, we ride. Hey, my baby on that drive, I'm getting chauffeured. Got me a chauffeur. How you doing when you're a king? Okay.
That's fine.
Take your head off. Hey man, y'all gonna take your head off. Y'all that close.
Oh, that's why they took that thing off.
Oh, man. They would have fired shit. Look, see, I could have bought some gas by this ocean. Well, if you got your own jet ski. Man, look at the fire blue. Oh man, we got to come next time.
That's some shit.
Boy, they lit over there, huh? All you gotta do is just walk down the beach.
Yeah, ain't no seaweed. Ain't nothing.
Look at that big old boat.
Nice boat.
Oh, we go out there with jet ski. You heard me? Yeah, when the tide is up, they can't come through there. When the tide up, they can't come through here. You tell how many people don't hit it.
Damn. You right.
Anyway. Yes, sir, boy, this is the life. Me and the wife out here chilling.
Somebody behind you.
You got a regular ass boat. Stop. You got a hoop. Hey man, he got a hoop. We got a Chevy. He got a Ford.
Yeah, jet ski.
Get behind us, you know. You gotta get behind us. Got tow his ass. Pull up, baby. You don't forget. Good, we're gonna get a longer ride. All right, everybody get back in this boat.
Sam,
Yeah. putting this out here. Family members, y'all watch this. We want to rent